We are doing an unpacking video today off of something really cool and something really well packaged. I've been looking for a new CBN wheel for my grinder because I have to grind a lot of tooltips for my hollowing system and I keep wearing them out like crazy. And this is from waytools. They are getting grinding wheels from a company in the Ukraine. These are incredible. This is 14 pounds, more than 14 pounds. This wheel I had from another manufacturer. It's a wonder that it ever worked. I had this thing maybe a year and it wore out and it weighs like 3 pounds. It's nothing. It's made of aluminum. This is made of solid steel. Let me get this out here for you. It is double coated CBN material on here. So these are super aggressive. This is 220 grit, and if you look over here, I have an 80 grit on here that I got from D-Way. I've been using this for a couple weeks. I've already ground about 200 M35 to steel tooltips on this, and not just ground them, shaped them from nothing, and it is still going strong. This is incredible. I'm going to get this other wheel installed and I'll show you how this works. For those of you who aren't familiar with CBN wheels, it's a really hard material that rivals diamonds, and it doesn't wear out very easily. At least it's not supposed to. But if you buy a cheaper wheel, they put a thin coating on there and you can wear it out. Like I said, I've been going through wheels at a rate of 1 a year at least, if not faster than that. This one, I don't know what I'm gonna wear, when I will wear it out. Jimmy with D-Way told me that they're shaping their tools on these wheels, and they've been going over 2 years on the same wheels, and they do tools for a living. That's amazing. But the big thing is, since this is 14.5 pounds, this is 14.5 pounds, you're putting on 29 pounds onto your grinder. So you have to have a 1 horsepower grinder. And you also need a really good system, a jig system to go with it, because with this much power and everything, you want to make sure you're all hanging on to stuff good. But let me power this up real quick. And this is one of the tool tips that I make, and I have to spend a lot of time grinding them. But this is just beautiful. It's the wheel runs true. It cuts like a demon. I am just amazed at the quality of this tool. And a fun fact, the factory in Ukraine has been running off of generators for the past year because of the war. So when Jimmy orders these, it can take up to 8 months to get them. So these are in stock, and they can go out of stock pretty quickly too. So if you really want to upgrade your grinding system, I highly recommend you give these a try. They're a little more expensive than the other wheels, but they're going to last a lot longer and they're really worth it.